Let's take a look at a classroom layout. Working on a Good Schools project, classroom layout example. I want to describe how I would score something like this. The three areas in your rubric, you can check it out on the Moodle if you need to. Again, we're looking for ideas, brain science explanations, and resources. So the first thing I notice is an abundance of ideas. I see way more than 6, so this is definitely going to score a 4 in the ideas area. If you follow the cursor around, you see there's sectional couch, a big maker space and a large round table, Bosu balls, pet tanks, 4 HD TVs with speakers, a large fish tank, a comfy library area, digital tools, a snack area with a fridge, a playground outside, garden outside, large elliptical glass walled classroom, the hours of operations and when kids are coming and going. So there's no shortage of ideas. We're going to zoom in a little bit and take a look at some of the explanations. I'm looking for the brain science. Here we see stressed brains don't learn the same, collaboration, many people, the gender rule, about boys and girls having different brains. Everybody's brains are wired differently. We come down here. The lighting, references to outside the classroom resources about yellow and specifically orange, stimulating the brain. Elliptical vision trumping all their senses for the shape of the room and the glass walls again. As I go around here, I just keep seeing reference to brain rules. I see references to Dr. Seuss up here, working together, in-group, out-group, more welcoming, learning to be accepting of others. Vision trumps all other senses. Managing digital distractions, references the article. So I clearly see that every item on here has some explanation that goes along with it. And while I'm doing that, I'm also noting, I see, as I go through here, even counting for the repetition of rules, there are 11 of the 12 different rules mentioned here, the brain rules. There's Dr. Seuss, there's at least one article, there's at least one video, there's at least one reference outside of what we talked about in class. So for explanations, this gets a 4. And for resources, this gets a 4. So it covers all the bases. So there you go, a 4 example for classroom project. You can compare that to the 3 example that I have on the Moodle, the video explaining, the essay scoring. So hopefully that helps give you a better idea. Check your work. You're all in control of getting whatever score you choose by putting in the work.